Hi, this is Group 12 and my name is Nayyar Alam. We have designed a GPS fleet management system. Our system is for the people to know how GPS can be used in diverse ways to manage the entire fleet of buses or any other mode of transportation and not just for finding the routes. Purview of our project is to delineate how GPS can prove to be an imperative tool for the fleet operators, knowing that the vehicle in the fleet are not always bound by rules and constraints. It helps monitor every vehicle in the fleet separately and generate both positive and negative alerts for the managers. Like if there is a violation done by the driver of the bus, it will send an alert to the manager saying that this particular bus has just violated a traffic rule. In this, you can see that it will keep managers to keep track of every move and moment of the fleet and provide the fleet operators with visibility into the vehicle location, fuel usages, speed and mileage, and other insight into their mobile workforce, enabling them to keep reduce the operating and capital cost as well as increase the revenue of their organization. Our system enables the organization to meet the challenges associated with managing the local fleet and improve the productivity of the mobile workforce by extracting actionable business intelligence from real-time data as well as historical data so that they can make any possible future improvements. Since our system is highly customizable, each organization or user of our system can make changes in the algorithm and it can be used to generate alerts when the vehicle are due for maintenance and what kind of servicing is essential. Like if a vehicle which has run for almost 200 miles will surely need an oil and tire change and so on. Typically, it would always find a shortest routes to destination for drivers, and in case of high traffic situation, it would suggest an alternate route and advise to override the original route. Normal operations may also incorporate arrival time calculation and journey delays. It will also notify the passengers whenever there is any changes in the schedule of the buses so that they can keep abreast with the timings of the buses and can save their own bit of timing. That's all from my side. Mia will take you further to give some more insights what our application is.
Hi, this is Yang Miao. Our ingeniously designed GPS fleet management system helps you track every bus in your fleet in real time. You can now relax and sit back while you monitor your entire fleet on your computer screen. Following is what we provide. Track overspeeding. For transportation business, safe is the most important. All bus managers are willing to know if their bus are overspeed. Our system has the ability to track bus speed. When a bus is overspeeding, our system will deliver a message to the manager. Maintenance type and due date. To make sure bus run well, making a right maintenance at the right time is very important. Our system has the ability to tracking maintenance type and due date automatically. Routes and alternate routes. Traffic is a key problem that every driver needs to face every day. When a traffic has happened, our system will give drivers some recommendations such as what kind of alternate routes they may choose. Traffic alerts. When there are some traffic on the road, the system will generate alert to bus managers that the bus will be delayed. Therefore, the manager may need to send additional bus to recover. Arrival and delay alerts. When traffic happens, our system will automatically generate a message and inform passengers that the bus will be late, give them approximate arrival time, and keep them on post. Bus and driver reports. Our system will have summary reports the whole fleet. It will include the time of delay, the time of overspeeding, distance traveled, and the time of violation for all buses. View fleet activity. To make sure their bus run efficiently, managers will review fleet activities every day to make a right adjustment for their bus schedule. Furthermore, drivers also view fleet activities when they are facing emergency situations, such as bus broken down or crashes, so they can call other drivers for help. Bus retracking. Manager will be able to retrack each individual bus status, such as tracking time for a schedule violation, time of overspeeding, idling time, and so on for each individual driver, bus idling time, and much more. To make sure bus runs efficiently, managers will need to track bus idling time and to avoid them. Next, please let Trish to talk something more about the user interface.
Hi, I'm Trish and I'll be taking you through the interface of our system. This is what it looks like. First we have control panel, live fleet, retrack, alerts, maintenance, and reports. As you can see in the first quadrant, we have buses compared as per distance traveled by them. In the second quadrant, we have total number of violations noted on that bus and the name of the driver who was driving the bus. In the third quadrant, we have idle time, which shows total idle time remaining for that bus on that journey. Here it shows it for the bus number 345, which has covered which has remaining to idle time shown in red, and total idle time that it has already covered is shown in blue. Then we have speed monitoring in fourth quadrant, which shows the speed violation in red for each and every bus. If the bus hasn't violated speed, of course it won't show anything in red. Moving on, we have live fleet. It shows all the buses running on the field at a particular point of time. Here we have shown an example of one bus that travels from source A to destination B. We have shown a diversion on the route starting at a point. That's because of the traffic that's ahead, and taking this diversion or the shortest path saves a total of 10 minutes for that bus. In a similar way, it keeps on generating alerts for drivers whenever it's necessary. Then we have reports. One of such reports that we have shown in here is driver's report. This report shows what drivers has driven what bus, and number of times it has oversped, total schedule violations. As you can see in the example 1, the bus number 68 was driven by driver Mike, and the overspeeding violation is 1, schedule violation is 7, and hence total number of violations is 8. In a similar way, it gives us an idea as to what kind of driver he is. Then we may also have bus report that will have last maintenance date, the total distance covered in miles, the miles covered in rash driving, and total idle time. That will tell us what the amount of fuel it has consumed. Not the exactly amount of fuel, but more the idle time, more is the fuel consumed. In a similar way, it'll compare other parameters and generate the due maintenance date, when the bus is due for next maintenance, and what kind of maintenance is required by the bus. These are the kind of reports it generates. Generating the reports will give the manager an idea as to what kind of improvisations are necessary in future. that's it for me. Moving on, I'll give it to Brad, who will take you through the benefits of our system.
At last, we talk about the benefits of our system. First, it will save passengers waiting time by sending alerts to our passengers. Second, managers can track the entire fleet from his PC or laptop. Third, through the dashboard, managers could get information when a vehicle is due for maintenance. Fourth, through this system, we can get the first-hand message about traffic congestion and change our bus to the alternate routes, hence saving journey time. Fifth, report generation suggests future improvisation. We can analyze the data at hand and make them useful information. Eventually, save money, time, and effort for the company, therefore making it run effectively and efficiently.
Thank you and have a good day.